Hi everyone. In some of my previous videos, I introduced you to the generative AI security scoping metrics, and we spoke about the five scopes which are primarily covered, which is consumer apps, enterprise apps, pre-trained models, fine-tuned models, and self-trained models. In this video, I want to tell you how there is a difference in the amount of security controls or the level of security or the level of control you have when it comes to security for these five scopes. Now let's talk about the first two scopes, which is consumer apps as well as enterprise apps. So let me tell you, there is very little scope of what you can do within these two scopes. When I say what you can do, it means the level of security controls and the level of control you have in general on these applications, because the backend is sort of a black box and you do not know much about it. However, when it comes to the next three scopes, which is pre-trained model, fine-tuned model, and self-trained model, you have a bit more autonomy. Let me try to explain this to you with a very simple example of pizza, which I also shared in my previous video. When you bake your own pizza, you can add the ingredients per your wish. You can bake the pizza as you want and you can modify its flavor to your taste. However, when you buy an off-the-shelf pizza, there isn't much you can do. You can add some seasonings, you can garnish it, but essentially the pizza's taste and the way it was baked will stay the same. It is similar, it is very analogous to applying security controls to these five scopes. When you try to apply security for either consumer apps such as ChatGPT, Claude, or M365 Copilot, there is very limited to what you can do. However, when it comes to using your own self-trained model or fine-tuned model, or using a pre-trained model also for that matter, because you might consume them via APIs, that offers a bit more control and a little more security can be added to it, and you can tweak it a bit more per your liking. So this is what I wanted to share with you, that whether you buy or you build, right? Because you can essentially buy AI tools, and when you buy AI tools already which come with interfaces, they might have lesser autonomy for you to apply security. However, if you build your own stuff using AI, there is a lot more you can do when it comes to security and AI safety. We will cover more about similar topic in the next video, and I have also introduced this scoping metrics in another short, so do check out those two. Till then, happy learning.